Hey guys, welcome back to another ITworx tutorial. In this video today I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks in Google Chrome. So just as an example, if I click on eBay as my bookmark, it takes me to the eBay page. So the way we do this is go to the page that you want to bookmark. Say Amazon as an example. So you just want to go into Amazon, and then what you do is you go to the top right corner where you see there's three little dots, and from there you just want to click on it and scroll down to bookmarks, and then click bookmark this page. And then once you're here, it gives you the option to name it. So I can name this, say, Amazon, for example. And all you have to do there is click done. And so now if I open up a new tab, you'll see it saves my bookmark there. So if I click on that, it takes me to the Amazon page. And you can basically do this with any other website or page that you'd like to bookmark. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.